Let's make a chutney like this with onions. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This chutney we are making for 3 to 4 guests. Onto a pan, 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urd dal, and saute for a minute. Chopped red onions 1 and a half. Ginger chopped 1 tablespoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Garlic rough cut 3 cloves and saute until soft. 10 pieces of dry red chilies. Tamarind 1/2. Saute for 2 minutes. Turn off the flame, cool it down, transfer to a blender. 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Add a little bit of water. Blend into a fine paste. Transfer to a bowl. Let's temper it. Onto the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard, let it cracks. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 2 pieces of dry red chilies, few curry leaves. Remove from the flame, add 1/2 teaspoon of asafoetida, cook mix, add to the chutney. Combine well and enjoy with dosas and idlis. The chutney with onions, it's ready. Very smooth flavors. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.